Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is M. Nadia Zainab. I am studying in 4th standard at Al-Hilal Nursery and Primary School. My topic is homemade air cooler. Purpose. The purpose of my research was to find out the suitable timings to cool the room to save electricity as well as money. Introduction. Nowadays there is a shortage of electrical energy due to lack of rainfall and industrial purpose, but need alternatives to run out the lights, whereas the mini cooler works a battery, ice cubes, bottles, which is economically and friendly. It blows. Hypothesis: whether the homemade air cooler reduces the temperature of the room as well as electricity bill. Advantage of air cooler: less electricity bill, inexpensive, save electricity, easy to carry. Result and discussion. From the above result, I conclude that the method of cooling was most effective at night. The suitable time to cool room is night time. This device is very useful in hot days and to cut off electricity bill. Conclusion: the result we received should that the device support the hypothesis. Thank you. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear judges. My ID is NSF23PSA015. I am from 5th grade at Al-Hilal Nursery and Primary School. My project title is Animals Race to War. Purpose. The purpose of my project is to generate electricity from cattle waste. Cow dung, most of the dung by cattle still goes to waste. So I thought using this waste of cow dung for good use. The latter can be used to power for some of the cars makers eco-friendly. Introduction. In our country, cattle rearing is a tradition. Different products from cattle source, milk, ghee and cow dung. They are used in a number of Ayurvedic formulations. The primary use of cattle dung can be said to be for organic on one hand and on burning soft cow cakes for fuel. On the other hand, through this biogas will be produced by adding cow dung and water. From this biogas, electricity can be generated with the right tools and equipment. It is possible to turn into electricity. Hypothesis. Can electricity be generated from cow dung? Can we make effective use of cow dung? Abstract. As there is a global demand for energy, seeking a tremendous scarcity of electricity generation to cope up with overwhelming demands of electricity going waste, I use this for incidental purpose. In other field, it will be for making calcium channels and drugs for diabetes also. In this various study, I got this idea to generate electricity as an alternative source of electricity generation. In this new generation, to light up our home from animals' waste. Materials required: voltmeter, copper wire, copper blade, zinc blade, dried cow dung, soldering iron, water, salt, disposable glasses, disposable containers, LED lights, mini fans. Advantages of my project: it is a power secure, self-sustainable and holistic, has a multiplier effect on economy, easily available with no cost, cheap alternative source, cutting down on electricity, harmless, eco-friendly. Procedure: take dried cow dung in the containers, mix with water and salt, keep for half an hour, extract cathode and anode. Do connectivity and start the experiment. Take 50 grams of dried cow dung in each of the 4 glasses. Take copper and zinc blade, cathode and anode. Then mix the cow dung with salt and water. Keep for half an hour. Then connect it through the copper wire to copper blade and zinc blade. Then likewise take 4 sets inside cathode and anode. Another and connected one end on the wire to the positive terminals of LED lights and another end of the wire to the negative terminals of LED lights. Finally, the 1.5 volt LED light glowed brightly and check the voltage. Result and discussion. In this research, cow dung is experimented with different quantities in different volumes, voltage and power generated above tables and data. This experiment revealed that more quantities of cow dung yield more amount of voltage and current on the first day rather than other 2 consecutive days. It is able to produce electricity from cow dung. This project project would be useful for farmers also. As of now, the plant can generate 240 kWh of electrical energy. The electricity being used for charging green folder, machine milking, operating the fan, coolers and foggers installed inside the animal shed. Conclusion. According to my hypothesis, yes, cow dung produces electricity for healthy environment and sustainable economy, growth we need clean and effective power generation system. This project introduces a new renewable source of energy from animals' waste. So I named it as Waste Towards. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Patela Fatima here. I am studying 5th grade at Al-Hilal Nursery and Primary School. Today I am presenting my project about extraction of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. My purpose was to find how to extract DNA from fruits and vegetables and to measure the quantity of the DNA which extracted from veggies and fruits. Hypothesis: whether the quantity of the veggies and fruits can change the quantity of DNA? Can DNA be extracted from veggies and fruits? Whether the temperature of the HLN affects the amount of DNA extracted from veggies and fruits? Significance of this project: DNA extraction can be useful in understanding and identifying gene of interest, genetic engineering of plants and animals, forensic science research, etc. Procedure: I have taken 4 types of veggies and fruits to extract the DNA. Veggies are onion, tomato, carrot, lemon. Fruits are strawberry, kiwi, papaya, orange. Put the 99% ethanol in the freezer to chill it. We will use it later. Take an electric scale and measure the quantity of the veggies and fruits. Take an 100 gram of strawberry. Take an 120 ml beaker. Make a solution consisting of 10 ml detergent and 1 teaspoon of salt. Take an 250 ml beaker. Added 100 ml water to the beaker. Dissolve the salt and detergent in 100 ml water and stir it slowly to avoid foaming. Take an Ziploc cover and added the measured strawberry into it. Add the salt and detergent solution into the Ziploc cover. Mash the strawberry in the resealable bag for about a minute until all the lumps were gone and it almost looked like pudding. After squeezing, I strained the solution by using strainer or muslin cloth. I strained the solution for 2 or 3 times. Filter the solution. Try to keep the foam from getting into filtrate. Taken the filtered solution, added ethanol directly to the filtered solution. After the alcohol was set up, wait for 8 minutes. May you see the bubbles and cloudy material moving around in the alcohol. This was the DNA pieces clumping together. Take a strainer to strain the DNA from the mixture. After extraction of DNA, measure the quantity of the DNA. Repeat the same process with different quantity of strawberry, fruits and other veggies. Conclusion: according to my hypothesis, yes, the quantity of the veggies and fruits can change the quantity of DNA. DNA is easily separated from dense fruits and vegetables which can readily liquefy. Temperature has a significant effect on the amount of DNA extracted. The lower the temperature, the greater the yield of DNA. Hence, whenever possible, specimens should at cold temperatures, preferably frozen. However, the result also suggests that even if a sample has been exposed. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am studying 5th grade from Al-Hilal Nursery and Primary School. My ID is NSF23PLSA026. My project title is Homemade Pesticide. Abstract. This project was conducted to determine the effectiveness of using natural remedies to control pesticide. Hypothesis: would neem, leaf, lemon, turmeric will keep the pesticides away? Advantages: making homemade pesticide have the advantage of being less for getting the best risk-free ingredients of our homemade pesticide. No harmful mixtures that can cause harm to us animals and edible items. Conclusion: according neem, lemon and turmeric is more effective. It controls the pesticide for a long time. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is B. Safia Kaunen and I am studying 5th standard from Al-Hilal Nursery and Primary School. Today's my topic is biodegradable plastic. Purpose: the primary purpose of biodegradable plastic to replace traditional traditional plastic that persists in landfills and harm the environment. To solve today's issues and to say goodbye to harmful chemicals. Hypothesis: biodegradable plastic persists for small time intervals in the environment. Biodegradable plastic break down much faster than other types of plastics. Advantage of the product: less energy used in their production. Biodegradable plastics are easily recycled. Biodegradable plastics can decompose quickly. Plastics is equal to less waste. These plastics are usually easier to break down and it has less chemicals. Biodegradable plastics produce less emissions. Procedure: take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, add 8 tablespoons of water, add 2 tablespoons of agar-agar, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, add 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Then mix well and stir well. Cook over in medium heat. Stir the solution until become viscous to evaporate the excess liquid. Prepare a non-stick surface to pour the solution. Flatten the solution. Lastly, let it dry under the sun until it completely dry. Gently remove the plastic from the surface. This is the final product of biodegradable plastic. Repeated the process in orange peels and banana peels. Materials. Result: soil successfully decomposed. Hot water successfully decomposed. Cold water successfully decomposed. Sunlight undecomposed. Observation: by adding cornstarch we get thin plastic. By adding orange peels and banana peels we get thick plastic. Discussion: after conductivity of experiment, I carry to know that biodegradable material can be decomposed naturally by any living organisms. Non-biodegradable material cannot be decomposed naturally by any living organisms. Conclusion: according to my hypothesis, biodegradable plastics are eco-friendly to environment. Non-biodegradable plastics are harmful to environment. Thank you.